excited to show you one of the most powerful new tools in ICANotes Plus, our AI Ambient Listening Scribe feature. This innovation is designed to save you time, capture the nuances of your sessions, and help you focus more fully on your clients while still producing complete, compliant documents. From the patient chart, I'll click on the progress note, and you'll notice a new option right here in the toolbar. This is where the magic starts. First, I'll select my microphone and choose whether the session is in-person or telehealth. A quick prompt will appear asking what you'd like to share. I'll choose my screen, and just like that, ICANotes Plus is ready to securely capture the session in real time.
Hi, Jenny. It's good to see you again.
Hi, Kaylee. How are you?
I'm doing well. I am so curious to see how your week went, especially around the journaling and movement we discussed.
I did manage to do journaling twice. So I wrote down some of those affirmations that you mentioned, but it really felt weird writing down "my body deserves kindness." It was kind of hard to believe it, even though I was writing it.
Yeah, thanks for your honesty. It's powerful insight to look at how those affirmations are like genuinely feeling inside. It's a little awkward as you get started, but thank you for trying. Can you tell me more about how you were feeling while you were writing it?
It really did make me more aware of how much I do criticize myself every day, especially in the mornings when I first get up, I'm getting ready for the day. I noticed that I'm pointing out a lot of the negatives to myself.
Awareness is a powerful tool in this process. Noticing those patterns is a big step toward interrupting them.
Yeah, I didn't really realize how automatic a lot of those thoughts were.
Yeah. Would you be open to trying something new in the morning, like a short self compassion meditation to shift that routine?
Sure, I'd be open to it.
You can see the complete transcript it captured for you, accurate, time-stamped, and fully secure. Now with one click on Finish Session, ICANotes automatically creates a draft progress note. Let's take a look. Here's the note already structured for you. Instead of starting from scratch, you now have a comprehensive draft that reflects the conversation. And of course, you're still in control. You can add detail using ICANotes signature menu-driven templates. For example, I'll quickly add a mental status exam here. Like any other note in ICANotes, you can refine, edit, or expand. Once ready, simply add your diagnosis, service codes, and compile. Within minutes, you have a complete, polished clinical note ready to sign. That's the new AI Ambient Listening Scribe feature in ICANotes Plus. It's like having a silent assistant in every session, capturing the details, freeing you from distraction, and giving you back valuable time for what matters most, your clients. With ICANotes Plus, documentation has never been faster, easier, or more accurate.